Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? It's morning actually right here. So how are you doing where you're watching me from? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Anybody watching this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys? Is anybody watching me now? Bring in your comment if you are seeing, if you are listening or watching me right now. I can see one person is watching me. So where are you watching me from? We need to talk about this. This is very important. So it's just a reminder. So share the video quickly. Share the video. Just a reminder. We've got a big reminder. So share the video for me. Share the video for me. 2 people are watching right now. Where are you guys watching me from? Bring in your comment. Let me see what you have to say. Are you somebody who is sitting for 2024 GCE or 2025 or next year? From Mansa, this is Philip Moyo. Hi. Trisha, hi. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, guys. So is everybody watching right now sitting for 2024 or trying to hear what will happen in 2025? So quickly share the video this morning. Let me have more people watching. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, I want to have as many people as I can watching before I share the information I have. So bring in your comment and let more people or tell more people about this, because they need to listen to this. Everybody needs to listen to this. So where are you really watching me from? So guys, a very simple question, and my question is that first I'll start with a very simple question. How has been the videos that you watch? Are they beneficial to you? Have you been benefiting from these videos that you watch from this YouTube channel? And then the second thing that we need to talk about is the timetable. We need to talk about the timetable. Yeah, mostly for those who are writing this year. And thereafter, we talk about the people who will be sitting for GCE next year. So share the numbers. The number of people are watching is too small. Very helpful. Oh, great. Gertrude, thank you so much for that information. You've been benefiting from the videos, isn't it, Gertrude? And others, what are you saying about the video? Are they really helping you? Are you getting something from the videos that you've been watching? Your videos are very beneficial and helpful. That's Trisha. Trisha, thank you so much for letting me know that the videos that I put up are beneficial and really help. So that's important. That's important to hear, and it's a motivational thing. Okay. So now, about the GCE 2024. Okay. So if you know anybody, hear this for them. Okay. 2024. looking at the period remaining, the period is very short. So we have few, just say a month. The first paper, let me just share with you in case you don't know. The first paper will be written on the 25th July. So 25th July, the exams or the exam commence on the 25th July. And the papers which will be written are additional mathematics, food and nutrition, fashion and whatever, fashion and fabric, yeah. Home economics, is it home management? Yeah, home management and physical education, PE. So these will be the first papers to be written on the 25th. So 24th, by 24th, you have to know where you're going to sit. Your sitting arrangement will be done and guidance. You'll be guided on how you're supposed to write exams, how you're supposed to sit, the sitting arrangement, and so on and so forth. So by 24th, you must be at the center where you'll be writing your exams from. So this is what you need to know. And the last paper to be written will be on the 9th, or last papers to be written will be on the 9th of August, and that's mathematics, paper 2, art, and history. So these 3 papers will be written on the 9th of August. So mathematics paper 2 will be among the last papers to be written. Okay. So this is just a reminder that you guys need to pull up your socks. You must not be panicking. This is not a time that you need to panic. I know how exams are. Somebody may be panicking, thinking, when you open the textbook, because I know most of you when studying you use textbook. You open the textbook, let's use mathematics as an example, and then you look at those 3 textbooks from grade 10 to grade 12. You start telling yourself that, no, am I going to manage? Just looking at this period which has remained, am I going to manage? And without knowing that some topics that are in those textbooks are off syllabus, they are not in the syllabus. So this is not a time that you just get a textbook and then start studying from first page to the last page. No, just get specific topics that you can focus on. Just specific topics which will help you. There are specific topics. I think I've been talking about this. If you are that person who has been following me, you by now know that I've been talking about topics that you need to focus on. It's not everything. It's not everything that you need to know. And mostly, you guys who are doing GCE, you do this. You do a course which is supposed to be done with in 3 years time, like for 3 years. You do it within few months or 6 months. So do you expect to finish, like, to know all the topics? That's not possible. It's impossible. Okay. That's why I've been receiving calls, people asking me that, why is it that when I study, I forget? Even mathematics, I solve today, I'm even doing good, but come tomorrow, I've forgotten everything. I can't remember any of the things that I've been doing. Why? It's because you want to study a lot of things at once. A lot of things at once. So the information that you put in is saved in a short-term memory. And then you even say, okay, I've known it now, because you are convinced unknowingly that that information is saved in the short-term memory. So, and then you start touching other things. So chances of you forgetting are high. That's why you find that you're forgetting things. So the best that you can do is to stick to a little thing or little information, and make that information be part of you. That's when you move on to the next information. I don't know if this makes sense to you. I don't know if it makes sense to you. So that's it. There are just few topics that you must stick on, like by now. There are topics that are found in both paper 1 and paper 2, in that if you get to know the ones in paper 1, I mean in paper 2, because paper 2 is a big thing. If you get to know those ones, just by studying those topics in paper 2, you've already studied the ones in paper 1, because one topic is found in paper 2 and paper 1. So that's those are the topics that you can start with. Okay, so I'm reminding you again, stick to very few things, very few topics. Sitting arrangement will be on the 24th for those who are writing GCE next month, 24th. So if you only have about a month, so within these 4 weeks, do something, plan nicely. If you're that person who has been playing too much, or we've been playful, try to reduce on those. It's possible for somebody who has not been studying to pass an exam. They just start today and they pass an exam. It's very possible, and this depends with the number of activities that you are doing. Okay, the things that you are occupying yourself with. So that's a thing. Okay, that's a thing. So just reduce on some of the things that you do, and make these exams be your bigger thing. Okay, something that you want to achieve this year. You never know what will happen next year. All right, so this is what I wanted to talk to you about. Hi, bro. You are really great driving and posting live at the same time. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. What's the name again? That's Prasun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Douglas from Chipata. I'm benefiting from your videos. Thank you so much for that. Watching from Chipata. Oh, Chipata is watching. That's Abigail. And who else? Kangenya, watching from Lukulo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys are not liking my video. Like, I can only see 2 people have liked my video, but the number of people are watching is it's big. Thanks for the advice, Mister. Oh, thank you so much, Dixon. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. We feel good seeing people celebrating after results come. We feel good, really feel good. Okay, Walia from Chambish. How is Chambish, Walia? So that's the thing. That's the reason you see us most of the time trying to post things, trying to help in any ways or in any way we can help. So that's it, guys. That's it. All right. So, and if you know anybody who is will be sitting for GCE 2024 next year. Next year, GCE will be there. So just be ready. It will be there. It will be there. I know people have been asking me and saying, is GCE going to be there next year? It will be there. It will be there. Okay? Don't worry. It will be there. There is no... What you need to know is that there can't be a country without arrangements to do with the GCE. We might change the name from GCE to something else, but what you need to know is that it should be there. It will be there. So just be ready, prepare yourself, and prepare yourself, and just be ready. Tell yourself that it will be there. Okay, this is what I can say. So tell those people or yourself, if you're the one who is ready, preparing for GCE 25. That we've started. This is a point you don't need to miss. If you want to pass an exam, this is a time that you can start preparing for that exam. Okay, things become easier for you. People panic, and it's very expensive where you fail this year, you come and sit for an exam next year for something that you are just supposed to start earlier. Nobody can fail an exam. You start early and then you fail. No. And the way we do it, if we start with you, we start with you now. I can tell you that you will make sure that you pass. I've got students who started with me from the last year, like this time, they started with me and they are still with me. They're still with us as GCE Learning Academy. Those are the students who are doing really good in the group, because we move at a certain pace such that we finish the topics. Again, we start again, we finish, we start maybe 3 times or 2 times. We're just going through the syllabus, like we finish it, so that by now, like this time, we're just revising, going through past papers, just like that. Do you think you can fail an exam like that? Even if you were to fail, can you fail an exam like that? So mostly what happens to most of the students is that they start exams late. I mean, they start lessons, sorry, or tuitions late. This is what makes them fail. So you have to start from the from the very day that your tutors are starting teaching you. You have to start your exams right there. That's the thing that you need to do. And by now, please be reminded that as GCE Learning Academy, we've started classes for 2025 GCE. It will be there. Don't worry, it will be there. Good morning, sir. Your WhatsApp number, please. So my WhatsApp number is 0969 17 57 01. 0969 17 57 01 or 0969 17 57 01 or 0974 63 20 97. So these are the 2 numbers you can use to talk to me. Okay, I wrote my GCE mathematics in 2021 and I passed because of your videos. Thanks. Thank you so much, Evans, for that message. Thank you so much, Evans. I appreciate the message. So that's it. I think people are able to can hear and can see what you've written. So guys, it's never too late for those who are doubting if they can pass 2024 GCE, looking at the period which has remained. What is happening now, we're doing, okay? Things that do come an exam is what we are doing right now. So that's it. So make sure you be part of our online classes, either 2024, though we are remaining with short period of time, or 2025. It's okay. You can be. Okay. Thank you. So the numbers to WhatsApp or call us on 0969 17 57 01. Let me say the number.